Let's be real. If you're relying on just one source of income, you're one bad day away from being broke. But what if I told you there are side hustles you can start right now that actually make money? No gimmicks, no scams. Stick around because number 4 might just replace your 9 to 5. Number 1, freelancing, the skill-based goldmine. If you can write, edit videos, design graphics, or even just type fast, you can make money online today. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have people making $100 to $500 per project for skills they learned on YouTube. You have skills. Now it's time to sell them. And if you think you don't have a skill, learn one. You can pick up graphic design, copywriting, or coding for free online. The best part? You set your own rates, work your own hours, and never have to answer to a boss. Number 2, reselling. Flip to profit. Ever heard of flipping? People are buying used stuff from thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace and reselling them for a profit. Sneakers, tech, even books. There's money sitting in your garage right now. One guy I know bought a PlayStation for $50 and sold it for $200 the next day. Easy money. And with platforms like eBay and Amazon, you don't even need to meet people in person. Just list, sell, ship, and profit. Number 3, content creation, build your brand. Ever wondered how YouTubers and TikTokers make money? Ads, sponsorships, even digital products. This is the side hustle that can turn into a full-time business. The best part? You don't need a fancy camera. Mr. Beast started with an old iPhone. What's stopping you? The key is consistency. If you post content that educates, entertains, or inspires, people will watch. And once you build an audience, the money follows. Number 4, AI-powered hustles, the future of money. Now here's the game changer, AI side hustles. People are using AI to generate content, write ebooks, and even start automated businesses. Imagine making money while you sleep. You can create faceless YouTube channels with AI-generated voiceovers, build websites with AI tools, or even start an AI-driven social media agency. AI is the future, and the ones who use it early will win. Here's the deal. The money is out there, but only if you take action. Pick one hustle and start today. No excuses. And if you want more ways to level up your life, hit that subscribe button. Your future self will thank you.